of the season. We have a tiny project down here. Of course, I'm your boy Martin, and today we'll talk about my very favorite topic, exhausts. And because it's the last ride of the season, I will remove this beautiful Crusher series. I'm using Crusher series because I believe they look the best when I have shed saddlebags on my F3. The bike is very full, plus the sound, it's moved a little bit to the back, so my ears are not super hurting, they're just hurting. And I have many tours on 3.com, so I would like to be a little bit gentle, polite to my guests. Anyway, it's the last ride of the season, so I would like to enjoy it. And apart from just putting the Punisher, which is the brutal combo, RLS cat delete, Punisher is a brutal combo. But we will use a new thing on our shop. We will use a heat shield, because I don't like this kind of a look. It's a little bit sad. It's just the pipe there, so it will make the exhaust look a little bit better. But why we are also removing the exhaust is because it's dirty from the whole season. And I have one thing, just give me a second. Polly, come here please. Yeah, hey, it's my man Polly. Hello. Polly, I have one good thing and bad thing for you. Where do you want to start?
With the bad one.
No, I'll start with the good one. So I have one project over winter for you. So okay. The good news is it's going to be a lot of fun.
Okay.
The bad thing is you will need to clean my exhaust. It's quite... it's burned.
It's manageable. It's manageable.
I hate to do that. Will you be able to do it?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome.
No problem.
Polly is very reliable. I love him. I love you, Polly.
Me too, man.
Now, enough of this bullshit. First 500 views, no videos, and straight to the point. So let's get started. Now, how it works and what you will get. Do I have to say that the installation is really a dummy proof? So basically what you will get is a heat shield. Is it really a heat shield? Nah, we just call it that way. It will not really protect you from the heat in general. You get it in a black coating that RLS is using, so it's matching your existing exhaust. So you can buy it for your already existing exhaust and add it to them without any drilling whatsoever. Then we have polished, it's not polished, it's silver. And also our customers, they're using different colors in case you would like to add some effect to your exhaust. What you will get these rings. They will shrink around the exhaust, so installation is super simple, and that's basically it. We will send it as a flat, but you can just simply, you know, move it around the shape that you need, because we use them for F3 exhaust and also for F3 Limited and RT exhaust, so it's the same one. All right, installation is super simple. Just put these rings on the top of your exhaust pipe, and you know, the hole, it's actually, or the hole for the screw, it's actually the one that we will use, just like this. So position it the way that you need. Do not over tight it, so you can still move them around, and basically you can position it best to your liking, because you have several holes how you can tight it on the exhaust. 2 washers, 1 bolt, and it goes like washer through the heat shield, washer, and onto here. Now let's try to make the final correction. This is how the exhaust will be on the bike, so let's have it, let's say like this, a little bit further here, and make it tight. I think it looks absolutely fabulous. Maybe over the winter time, yellow, maybe yellow, that heat shield, maybe, I'm not sure, but there are a lot of options. So this upgrade heat shield is for everyone that has RLS exhaust and would like to put it on your bike to make the pipe look a little bit more full. Now, out of topic of today's video, sound. A lot of people do ask me, like, or just tells me that TheBeast is just insane sound and it's one of a kind. Now, how you can have it, and in general my advice on the sound, in case you like loud pipes, go for RLS Cat Delete or La Monster pipe, and go for Punisher or Assassin. That's just insane. Of course we have it on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. Now, can you have also the flames shooting out and just, you know, popping and no. Why? Because I have give a lot of love to my bike. The way I was riding, somehow the exhaust, the map and everything, it's built in the heart of TheBeast. You may think it's a little bit too selfish or not really technically proper, but this is a technically proper info. 2015 bike, different ECU logic. EQ flash there, which I don't like, but it's there. Power commander, custom map, so it's like Dynajet PV3, but for 2015 it's power, doesn't matter. Custom map on custom EQ flash, RLS Cat Delete, exhaust, and MartinTheVlogger love to my bike. Guys, thank you very much for watching. In case you would like to have exhaust, this heat shield, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. And in case you would like to tour Europe on 3 wheels, on bikes like this, on bikes like this, on bikes like this with brand new F3s, tourzone3.com. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, always have fun and upgrade your exhaust and remove that bloody cat.